everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. Today, a 2-page layout. I'm using that crazy, wonderful floral paper from Schmel's Main Character Energy. As a matter of fact, a lot of this collection is going to come from Main Character Energy as you watch me change my tape there. A lot of it's going to come from Main Character Energy. As a matter of fact, all of it is. So I have a decent amount of this collection left. I was so excited when she started making collections again. But this floral paper is completely wild, but I love it. So I really wanted to use it. And in this particular case, I'm using the prettiest pick paper, but I'm doing it from the 12 by 12 pad, so it has the foil accents, which is really neat. And on top of that, I'm adding this blue paper, which is the No Troubles paper, and it's like a composition paper to kind of lighten things up, and your eye goes, oh, something different than that crazy background paper. And I think I'm a little bit less, or maybe just at 6 by 6 for each of those. Each of these I don't remember. So I have some sort of unusual photographs to work with here. I have 2 4x4 photos and then 4 portrait photos. They're coming straight out of my phone camera though, so they're not totally 4x6, which was a bit of a toughy thing. It was easy to get the 3 on the right page there, but I'm really struggling a bit to figure out how to arrange the ones on that left page. And I think I only had one piece of this blue paper left, so I could only use a 6-inch wide piece there. So I'm going to let my photos overlap the floral page there, and then I took 2 cut aparts there from, it's the highlighted script paper, but again I used the one from the pad, from the paper pad to get these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that picture on the top left there and line it up with the photos on the right, and that will give your eye sort of a consistent line on the top of this layout so it doesn't look quite so disorganized. The other thing I'm doing is trying to give myself within, because there's a lot going on with that background paper, and then there's a lot going on in the photos. So I'm trying to use these 2 cut aparts for some white space. So that one piece says, these are the moments I want to remember. And then the journaling piece that I'm going to use says, making today awesome. And these are the moments I want to remember. We went to a favorite bookstore in actually my hometown, and there's a second level kind of balcony to it, and you sit above the main street in the town, and we love to sit there and have coffee. And my boyfriend is so sweet. He's not really a reader, but he likes indulging me. And as a matter of fact, I was using a gift certificate that day that he gave me for Christmas. And he'll just hang out and drink coffee and, watch the street people on the street go by while I go do my thing and shop. So one of our favorite places. And then we went and we played, we did a meat raffle, which that's just something, I don't know if they do that in other parts of the country, but it is a Wisconsin thing, especially in winter. It's crazy, you guys. You win meat, seriously. And then we ate the other, which is the picture on the far right, and then we ate at a restaurant that opened last year that we wanted to check out in another town. So back to what's going on here. I wanted a floral cluster to bring the floral into the foreground as well as the background. And those die cuts are coming from the ephemera die cut pack from Main Character Energy. And then I'm adding in that camera just because I'm taking photos, and doing that kind of a thing. And then I found some stickers here from the 6x12 gold foil accent stickers that I'm going to use on the right side page. One says the main character, and I'm not sure which of us it's referring to, but I'm going to say my boyfriend. And then dreaming and doing. So part of it is I love our adventures. It's one of the things that I love most about our relationship is that we really enjoy spending time together and just finding fun things to do in our area. And a lot of people ask us about how we do that, and when I document our adventures in photos, mostly more on Facebook than anything else, that they're kind of watching that and think it's kind of cool. I am adding in some butterflies here from that 6x12 sticker sheet, and I'm going to try to peel this one off. I'm using my old Cricut spatula here, and if you're trying to get a sticker off a photo, sometimes that works. I decided I wanted to change the color from that blue. I didn't like the blue there as well as and I'm kind of covering up the one on that, but the blue is too dark. There's a lot of, to me it feels like there's a lot of pink and orange coming out from that background, from the floral background. So that's why I'm changing the colors there. So I'm just going to let the butterfly stand, and that's why I'm using butterflies, because it's on that card. I found this happy sticker on that sheet because we are pretty happy. We have smiles and we have good times. He was I love that picture of us on the far left, or at least my boyfriend. That's my coffee cup there. So us, I guess, because it shows the windows we look out at, and this is just a great memory. Adding in another smaller sticker and that floral cluster there that says brilliant. And then I've grabbed the puffy stickers here to kind of add some puffy pieces. I like them because they're small, and I wanted a third piece in these clusters here, so I'm adding cameras and floral pieces, and then words as well, just to kind of emphasize things, but in a smaller way, because I think I have a lot of the pieces in the die cuts are pretty big, so I needed something smaller to sort of scatter around. I could have done it with enamel dots, but I have a lot going on already on this layout, so I didn't want to do that. And I like those clear sheets because you can audition things. That's what I'm doing there. All right, there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.